Today I'll be teaching you guys how you can create a business Facebook page. It's pretty simple. You want to click on the menu at the bottom right of your screen, and from over here, scroll a bit down and click on Pages from inside Pages. Click Create at the top left corner. Now from over here, you want to click on Get Started. Now first, you need to enter your page name. So my page name is going to be Business Insider. I'm going to name it this. Once I do this, what I can do is click on Next. Now what I can do is choose the category. So what kind of business page do you want to create? So I want to sell clothes, so I will write clothes over here. Once I write clothes, it's going to show me this. So it's going to be a clothing store. I will choose that. Now what I can do is click on Return or click Create at the bottom. Once I do that, a Facebook page with this name and this category will be created. Once it's created, you can choose is it for content or for a product. So we want to create a business, so we want to choose the first option. Click on Continue. Now over here, you need to fill this form up correctly, all the description, all the information about your business, and click on Next. And after this, it's going to ask you to set up your profile. After you set up your Facebook page profile, your Facebook page or like your Facebook business page will be created. That is how you guys can create a business Facebook page. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.